In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Updates section. This feature is your team's conversation hub for any item on your board. Instead of hunting through messages or emails, everything you discuss, decide, and share about a specific item stays right where you need it, attached to that item's record. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep your communication clear, visible, and easy to find. First, open an item on your board. Choose the item you want to talk about. Maybe it's a task, a client request, or a deliverable in progress, and open it so you're viewing its details. This ensures whatever you write will live with the right context, which makes it simple for teammates to understand what you're referring to without extra back and forth. If your board has many items with similar names, double-check the item title before you continue so your update lands in the right place. Next, click the Updates section at the bottom. This opens the dedicated conversation area for that specific item. Think of it as a timeline of messages, decisions, and attachments, all tied directly to the work. If there are previous posts, you'll see them listed here, so you can quickly get up to speed before adding your own comment. This keeps your entire thread organized in one place. Now type your message, add files, or @mention team members. Keep your note clear and actionable. Briefly explain what changed, what you need, or what's blocking progress. If you're sharing context from a meeting or a quick status change, put the key takeaway in the first sentence so it's easy to scan. Attach relevant files, such as screenshots, documents, or mockups, so people don't have to search elsewhere. And when you need specific people to see your update, mention them by name to trigger a notification. Tag only the teammates who are directly involved to avoid noise, and reference due dates or next steps right in the message so expectations are obvious. Finally, click Post. Your update is now published to the item's conversation, your files are attached, and anyone you mentioned will be notified. Everything stays linked to this item so your team can come back later, review the history, and understand how decisions were made. That continuity is what makes the Updates section so valuable for accountability and clarity. To recap, open an item on your board, click the Updates section at the bottom, type your message with any files and @mentions, and click Post. Use this space consistently, and your team will always know where to look for the latest information.